여러분 안녕하세요. FunPik 한국어 선생님 서미소랑입니다. Hi everyone, I'm 미소랑 from FunPik. It's time to learn some Korean consonants. We'll begin with 니은, 미음, and 리을. 그럼 시작해볼까요? 자음 니은. Let's look at the consonant 니은. 니은 is written in one stroke. First, draw a vertical line. Then continue horizontally to the right. A consonant can be pronounced only when it's combined with a vowel. So we'll make a complete syllable by adding the vowel 아. 발음을 들어보세요. Listen to the pronunciation. 나, 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 나. To pronounce 니은, touch the back of your upper front teeth with the tip of your tongue. Make a nasal sound where the air flows through your nose. 나, 나. 자음 미음. Let's look at the consonant 미음. 미음 is written in 3 strokes. Draw 3 lines in order, making a square. Now let's add the vowel 아 to the consonant 미음. 발음을 들어보세요. Listen to the pronunciation. 마, 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 마. To pronounce 미음, close your lips and make a nasal sound by letting the air flow through your nose. 마, 마. 자음 리을. Let's look at the consonant 리을. 리을 is written in 3 strokes. Go right then down, a horizontal line, then down and right. Now let's add the vowel 아 to the consonant 리을. 발음을 들어보세요. Listen to the pronunciation. 라, 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 라. To pronounce 리을, touch your upper front gums with the tip of your tongue and make a sound as you remove the gum-tongue contact. 라, 라. Now 리을 can be a bit difficult. When it's used as an initial consonant, it's romanized as the letter R, but in pronunciation, it's closer to an L. A very light L. Ra, ra. That's not it. It is la, la. 그럼 연습해 볼까요? Let's practice. Choose the correct pronunciation of the given letter. Number 1, 나. Number 2, 마. Can you guess the answer? 정답은 1번. The answer is number 1. 나. 여러분, 정답 맞췄나요? Let's do another one. Number 1. 너. Number 2. 러. Can you guess the answer? 정답은 2번. The answer is number 2. 러. 잘했습니다. Summary time. Consonants 니은 and 미음 are both nasal sounds. For 니은, slightly touch the backs of your upper front teeth with the tip of your tongue. For 미음, close your lips together. Consonant 리을 is not a nasal sound. The air flows through your mouth. With the tip of your tongue, touch your upper front gums and make a sound as you remove the contact. Alright, let's wrap up with a quiz. Please listen to my pronunciation and choose the correct word. 머리, 머리. Can you guess the answer? Leave your answer in the comments. The next lesson will be about the consonants 기역, 디귿, and 비읍. 그럼 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕!